Hello friends, this is Sachin again. This video I'm making just to show you how you can apply VLOOKUPs and get values from left side of the column. Uh, for to show that, let me just open Excel. Okay, let me go and search for Excel 2013. Okay, so I'm opening the Excel sheet here. So let's create some records on which we'll apply the VLOOKUP. So let's write fruits and their color, and okay, the label. I'll say fruit, apple, orange, grapes. Okay, what else? Pineapple. Okay, let's have only these fruits here. Then color is red, orange, green, and okay, say yellow. I don't know. So label, let's name as A, B, C, D, and E. Sorry, D. So now, when let me take two examples from here, put it here, and we'll apply VLOOKUP here. So when we apply VLOOKUP, we look for this value, we look these values in the table, say comma 3 comma 0, we get B, and if I copy the formula in the below cell, I get values of these things on the right hand side. Right, if the fruits names are here, I can get any value right hand side of column B. Now VLOOKUP doesn't perform doesn't help in getting the values on left hand side of the column. Right, for example, let me write here label 2, let me name them 1 2 3 4. Okay, now how do we apply and get values? Like if I apply VLOOKUP for this value, comma, in this array, table array, comma, okay, it's on the left hand side, so we may think it if applying -1 would help, but actually doesn't. So let me show you how you can do that. For that, you need to use two functions together. One is index and other one is match. So these two functions I'll use to get values on the left side of column B, left side of column fruit. I got label here. Now I need label 2. Okay, so what does index do? So let's understand the formula index. So if you say index and it asks choose an array, right? So let me choose this array. It asks for a row number. So if I write row number 1, then it asks for a column number. Let me write column number 1. So if I close it, it gives me color. So I choose this particular set. So in this particular array, row number is 1 and 1. So row number 1, column number 1, this is the value. So let me show you another example of index. Let's write index array. Let me select only this range. Now here row number 1 and column number 1 is orange. Okay, I mistyped it. Row number 1, column number 1. So let's see what it shows. It shows orange. Basically it should be orange. Let me correct it. So now we have it here, orange. Right, so index basically works, we give index a set of range and we mention row number and column number. This is what index do, and it gives us the value in that particular range. Now what does match do? So let's write it. Match, it looks for lookup value, what value you want to look at. For example, I look for grapes, comma, in which array I want to look grapes in this array. comma, what is the match type? Let me say exact, bracket close. So it gives me the row number in the selection, at which row does it finds that particular value. Alright, I3. Okay, I'm looking for grapes in the array this. So 1 2 1 2 3 4. So this fourth row this array comes in. So let me again apply match function and show you another example. So I look for grapes, comma, in which array? I select this array. Okay, comma, exact match. So it gives me 2. So understand what is the range. I selected this range. In this range, at row number 2, under the selection row, selection first row is orange, second row is grapes. So it gives me second, because in the selection at the second row this value appears. So we'll combine these two functions. We'll find it using match and we'll get the row number, and from index we'll use which column we fetch the details out. Okay, so let me show you once again. I will apply, okay, let's do that. Apply it here directly, equal to index. Okay, I want to know array. I'll go and select array number this. I'll select the entire row, comma, what is the row number? Okay, which row number? Sorry, I'll select the range this. Sorry, let me apply it again. Index, array, what I want this, right, comma, which row number? Row number I'll find out using match, match, match. Lookup value, I look for value this, comma, lookup array, I'll use this array, comma, exact match, bracket close. So I got my row number, right, and column number in array AA will be 1. If I close the bracket, I'll get my index number. Sorry, I got my value label 2 against orange. So this is how it works. If you copy this, paste it below, it gives me 3. So if I change grapes to say apple, I'll get number 1 here, right? So this is how you can apply a reverse VLOOKUP basically. So when I say reverse VLOOKUP, it basically means getting values on the left hand side of the search column. Anyway, thanks for